Welcome back to Hyperdrive Motors Home, your destination for the latest luxury vehicles, futuristic motorhomes, and premium automotive technology. Today we are taking a detailed look at a stunning 2026 luxury motorhome that brings together premium design, advanced technology, impressive road performance, and the comfort of a high-end home on wheels. This motorhome is designed for travelers who want to explore long distances without giving up the convenience and luxury they enjoy at home. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 luxury motorhome immediately stands out with its large and sophisticated body design. The front section features a modern appearance with a wide windshield that provides the driver with an excellent view of the road. Sleek lighting elements, a bold front grille, and carefully shaped body panels give the vehicle a premium and futuristic character. The large side mirrors and aerodynamic styling are designed to improve visibility and help manage airflow while driving. Moving toward the side, the motorhome offers a long and spacious profile with large windows that allow plenty of natural light to enter the cabin. Depending on the configuration, buyers can expect electrically operated steps, exterior storage compartments, a large awning, and additional access points for outdoor living. The rear section continues the premium design, with modern lighting and a practical layout designed for extended road trips. One of the biggest attractions of this motorhome is the interior. As soon as you step inside, the atmosphere feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional recreational vehicle. The cabin can feature premium seating, high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, modern cabinetry, and carefully integrated lighting. The living area is designed to provide enough space for relaxing, dining, working, and entertaining while traveling. The driver and passenger area is also designed around comfort and technology. A modern digital instrument display can provide important driving information, while a large infotainment screen can bring navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, and connectivity features together in one location. Depending on the final specification, advanced driver assistance technology may include adaptive cruise control, parking assistance, lane monitoring systems, cameras, and other safety features. The living area is where this motorhome really becomes special. A comfortable lounge can provide a relaxing place to watch television, enjoy a meal, or simply take a break during a long journey. The kitchen area is expected to offer a practical combination of storage cabinets, a cooking surface, refrigerator, sink, and countertop space. This makes it possible to prepare meals during extended trips without depending on restaurants at every destination. The sleeping area provides another major advantage. A premium motorhome can include a comfortable bedroom with a large bed, storage spaces, reading lights, and privacy features. Higher-end configurations may also provide additional sleeping arrangements for passengers. The bathroom is designed to maximize available space while offering a shower, toilet, sink, mirror, and storage for personal items. Technology is another important part of the 2026 luxury motorhome experience. Modern motorhomes are increasingly equipped with smart control systems that allow occupants to manage lighting, climate control, entertainment, and other functions from centralized displays or connected devices. Solar power systems, efficient battery storage, advanced climate control, and improved energy management can also make long-distance travel more convenient. When it comes to performance, the motorhome needs a strong powertrain because of its size and weight. Depending on the manufacturer and configuration, a vehicle in this class could use a powerful diesel or gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The main priority is strong low-end torque, smooth acceleration, stable highway performance, and enough power for climbing hills while carrying passengers and equipment. Despite its large dimensions, modern suspension technology can make the driving experience more comfortable and controlled. A well-designed chassis helps reduce body movement, while advanced braking and stability systems provide additional confidence. This type of motorhome is not designed to behave like a sports car, but its purpose is to deliver relaxed, stable, and comfortable transportation over long distances. Fuel economy will naturally depend on the engine, vehicle weight, driving conditions, and overall configuration. Buyers should expect operating costs to be higher than those of a normal passenger vehicle. However, the main attraction is not maximum fuel efficiency. The real value comes from combining transportation, accommodation, entertainment, and living space into one vehicle. Pricing is another important consideration. Because this is a luxury motorhome category, the final price can vary significantly depending on the manufacturer, engine, chassis, interior package, technology, and optional equipment. A realistic estimate for a premium 2026 luxury motorhome could place entry-level configurations around the six-figure range, while highly equipped versions can reach several $100,000. Buyers should always check official pricing, because specifications and availability can vary by market. Overall, the 2026 luxury motorhome represents a fascinating combination of automotive engineering and luxury living. Its biggest advantage is the freedom it provides. Instead of booking hotels, constantly packing luggage, and following a fixed travel schedule, owners can take their accommodation with them wherever the road leads. For families, long-distance travelers, retirees, and adventure enthusiasts, a motorhome like this can offer an entirely different way of experiencing travel. The combination of a premium exterior, comfortable interior, modern technology, practical living facilities, and powerful road performance makes it an impressive option in the luxury recreational vehicle market. Of course, the size, price, fuel consumption, maintenance requirements, and parking limitations are factors that potential buyers should carefully consider. But for someone who values comfort, independence, and long-distance travel, the advantages can be extremely attractive. So what do you think about this 2026 luxury motorhome? Is this the kind of vehicle you would choose for your next road trip? Or would you prefer a traditional luxury car and hotel experience? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to stay connected with Hyperdrive Motors Home for more exciting luxury, motorhome reviews, futuristic vehicles, performance updates, and automotive technology. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next review.